The Vegan Eggs Cheese Carp Can, aka the VECCC, is great for any outdoor adventurer who needs a meal on the run. Throw it in your backpack and bring it with you on hikes, bike rides, or picnics. Okay. Feeling lazy? You can even eat these in the comfort of your own home. Anyone can eat our VECCC almost anywhere. Not recommended for children under 10 years of age without adult supervision. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Our Vegan Egg Cheese Carp Can is a 20-ounce can with the eggs and carp taking up 12.5 ounces. Within the walls of the can is about 1.6 ounces of iron powder and 2.8 ounces of aqueous sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid and iron are separated by a small divider in the can with a tab poking out. In order to begin the reaction, you twist and pull the tab and pull the dividing plate out from the can. Be sure not to force the plate all the way out. A small piece of it should remain in the can to keep the reactants from falling out. When the plate is removed, the iron and sulfuric acid combine and the reaction begins, which gives off heat. The heat given off by the reaction will heat the food to a safe temperature of at least 63 degrees Celsius. Our product comes with 1.5 cups of scrambled eggs with carp mixed in to provide a delightful burst of fishy flavor. With every can of carp eggs, we provide a small packet of shredded cheddar cheese to pour on top of your egg. Once the food is completely heated up, let the cheese melt, stir together, and voila! You have a delicious steaming hot meal. Perfect as a portable... This is clean.
Just go.
A portable breakfast, lunch, or snack for any outdoor picnic or hike. And guess what? It's also vegan. Our team of scientists engineered a special formula that replaced the original meaty foods with near identical vegan replacements while keeping all the specific heats and flavors the same.
Bum, ba, bum.
The chemistry behind the Vegan Eggs Cheese Carp Can. Well, inside the walls of the cup are two reactants, 47.2 grams of iron and 82.8 grams of sulfuric acid. The equation for this reaction is Fe, solid, plus H2SO4 aqueous to Fe, aqueous, plus SO4 aqueous, plus H2 gas, plus 87.91 kilojoules. Upon combining the two reactants along with the products, we will have 87.91 kilojoules of heat produced, as shown with the delta heat reaction formula. Using the specific heats from the CRC for the elements and compounds, we subtracted the specific heats of the reactants from the specific heat of the products to find the heat of reaction in kcal. We then used conversions to convert kcal to kilojoules, leaving us with our 87.91 kilojoules of heat. Vegan Eggs Cheese Carp Can is 1.5 cups of food with 5/4 of a cup of vegan scrambled eggs and 1/4 cup of vegan carp. This means that of the 1.5 cup, 87.3% is eggs and 16.6% is carp. So we took 83.3% of the specific heat of eggs and 16.6% of the specific heat of carp, added the products together, and achieved a specific heat of 3.219 joules per gram.
Always make sure to have your hot can stored at or above 1 degree Celsius so it doesn't freeze and because the reaction will give off enough heat to raise the temperature by 62 degrees Celsius. Make sure to raise the temperature by this much so that the food will reach at least 63 degrees Celsius, which according to www.2.monroecounty.gov is a safe heating temperature for fish and eggs. Our reactants include 44.98 grams of iron and 78.99 grams of sulfuric acid. We reach this number through two equations. First, we multiply the mass of the food, 1.5 cups or 355 grams, by the specific heat, which is 3.219 joules per gram, by the change in temperature, which is a minimum of 62 degrees Celsius, to give us a heat of 70.8 kilojoules. We use the 70.8 kilojoules in the equation to find the mass of the reactants, which is the heat over moles actually used, which is equal to The heat of the reaction over mole is used from the balanced chemical equation.
By multiplying the heat, 70.8 kilojoules, by the moles from the BCE for iron, 1 mole, and dividing by the heat of reaction, 87.91 kilojoules of heat, we get 0.8054 moles of iron. Through conversions, these moles of iron tell us we need 44.98 grams of iron and 78.99 grams of sulfuric acid. Always store above freezing. Warning, activating the reaction in an environment below freezing may result in the eggs being underheated, therefore unsafe to eat. Exercise environmental choices with caution. And remember, eating in a high temperature environment will cause the food to heat up more than the desired amount. Be careful to let your food cool before eating it. And make sure to use the complimentary can koozie to hold the can without risking burns. Keep out of reach of small children, and the reactants are dangerous, possibly hot to touch. Do not let the iron or sulfuric acid come into contact with your skin.
Hi, based on the values of carp, eggs, and cheese, and iron and sulfuric acid, the total cost is $11.40. So it's very cheap. Pick it up at your nearest supermarket today.
Delta Teas from www.monroecounty.gov. The specific heats of food are from engineeringtoolbox.com. The heats of formation are from the CRC. The cost of iron is from nutritiongeek.com. The cost of sulfuric acid is from webpoolsupply.com. And we use market of choice for the prices of the eggs, cheese, and carp.
Thanks for watching.